I've got a catch-up class on my community today. It's in about 4 hours time, 3.5 to 4 hours time, depending on when you watch this. So check out my community. We're going to be looking at something called filters and tags. So for example, if I wanted to have a look at my drawings here, you can see I've got a bunch of drawings. What I want to do is I just want to look at my concept drawings. And you can see it's hidden all the other layers. What about if I just wanted to look at my contract documents or my structural drawings? It just hides all those things. And here, I don't want to look at my revisions. I want to look at my detailing, and it hides all the other classes except for what I need for doing my details. So join me. We're going to learn these really effective tricks for managing your information, because when I go back to all classes, you can see I have got a ton of classes, and it's really difficult for me to draw my details unless I just choose my detailing filter. So we're going to look at filters and the tags that I use to create those filters. So join me in about 3.5 hours. We're going to go through that on my community. I'll put the link in the description. See ya.